Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how much time are you spending browsing Instagram, but also how to limit that time or set a reminder to take some breaks. First thing you have to do is to tap on the right bottom corner your profile picture. When you do that, you can see your profile. On the top right corner, you can see three lines. Let's tap it. Now this menu shows up. On the very top we have settings and privacy. Let's tap it, and now you can see under how you use Instagram there is time spent. When you tap it, you can see how much time every day you are spending on Instagram. If you think that you're spending too much time, to lower you can see there are two options to limit that. First one is set a reminder to take breaks. When you tap it, you can set a reminder every 10, 20 or 30 minutes that you should take a break from Instagram. Let's tap 30 minutes, for example, and turn on. Now there is second option, set a daily time limit. When you tap it, there are a few options. If you, for example, choose 2 hours, Instagram will remind us that after 2 hours we should stop using this application. Now let's click Done, and now every 30 minutes Instagram will remind me that I should take some break. And after 2 hours Instagram will send a notification telling me that I should stop using Instagram for the day. Now I can come back to my feed and I can browse it for 2 hours. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe. Bye.